Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver our lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter inverse hyperbolic functions. Lecture number 5, in which I will solve some more problems of this chapter. Now, we solve a problem. Prove that sine hyperbolic inverse x equal to tan hyperbolic inverse x by square root 1 plus x square. Now we prove this. Let sine h inverse x equal to y implies that sine hy equal to x, since cos h square y minus sin h square y equal to 1 implies that cos h square y equal to 1 plus sin h square y, and this is equal to 1 plus x square implies that cos h y equal to square root 1 plus x square. Using 1 and 2, we get sin hy by cos hy equal to x by square root 1 plus x square implies that tan hy equal to x by square root 1 plus x square implies that tan h inverse x by square root 1 plus x square equal to y. Let this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, using 2 and 3 here. This is number 4. From 1 and 4 we get the right side y same, therefore left side will be same. Sin h inverse x equal to tan h inverse x by square root 1 plus x square. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is prove that sin h inverse x plus sin h inverse y equal to sin h inverse bracket x multiply square root y square plus 1 plus y multiply square root x square plus 1. Now we solve this. Let sin h inverse x equal to alpha implies that sin h alpha equal to x. This is number 1. Let sin h inverse y equal to beta implies that sin h beta equal to y. This is number 2. Since cos h square alpha minus sin h square alpha equal to 1 implies that cos h square alpha equal to 1 plus sin h square alpha. This is equal to 1 plus sin h alpha is x square implies that cos h alpha equal to square root 1 plus x square. This is number 3. Similarly, cos h beta equal to square root 1 plus y square. This is number 4. We know that sin h alpha plus beta equal to sin h alpha multiply cos h beta plus cos h alpha multiply sin h beta. Sin h alpha is x, cos h beta is square root 1 plus y square plus cos h alpha is square root 1 plus x square, and sin h beta y implies that sin h inverse x multiply y square plus 1 plus y multiply square root x square plus 1 equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha is sin h inverse x. This is sin h inverse x. Beta is sin h inverse y. Implies that sin h inverse x plus sin h inverse y equal to sin h inverse x multiply square root y square plus 1 plus y multiply square root x square plus 1, and proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is prove that sin h inverse cot x equal to log cot x plus cosec x. Since we know that sin h inverse x equal to log x plus square root 1 plus x square, implies that sin h inverse, in place of x we write cot x. This is log cot x plus square root 1 plus, in place of x, cot x, cot square x. This is equal to log cot x plus 1 plus cot square x is cosec square x. This is equal to log cot x plus cosec x. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is prove that log 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2 equal to 2 10 h inverse 10 theta by 2. Now we solve this. Solution. Since 10 h inverse x equal to half log 1 plus x by 1 minus x, implies that 10 h inverse 10 theta by 2 equal to half log 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. This is equal to half log 1 means tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 and 1 minus, here we have 1 means tan pi by 4 multiply tan theta by 2. This is equal to half log, this is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b, implies that 2 tan h inverse tan theta by 2 equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is prove that log tan pi by 4 plus ix by 2 equal to I tan inverse sin hx hyperbolic x. Now we solve this. Left side equal to log tan pi by 4 plus ix by 2. This is equal to log tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is equal to log tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan ix by 2 by 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1 tan ix by 2. This is equal to log m by n is log m minus log n. Log m 1 plus tan ix by 2 minus log 1 minus tan ix by 2. This is equal to log 1 plus here tan ix by 2. Tan ix means I tan hyperbolic x by 2 minus log 1 minus I tan hyperbolic x by 2. Since log alpha plus I beta equal to half log alpha square plus beta square plus I tan inverse beta by alpha. We use this formula, implies that left hand side equal to half log 1 square plus tan hyperbolic square x by 2 plus I tan inverse tan hyperbolic x by 2 by 1 minus this is log means half log 1 square plus 10 hyperbolic x by 2. This is minus whole square plus I 10 inverse minus 10 hyperbolic x by 2 by 1 this equal to half log 1 plus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2 plus I 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2. This is minus half log 1 plus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2. This is my 10 inverse minus something is minus I 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2. This is equal to half log 1 plus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2 plus I 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2 minus half log 1 plus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2 minus minus plus I 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2. This and this cancel. This equal to 2I 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2. This is equal to I to 10 inverse 10 hyperbolic x by 2 to 10 inverse x is I 10 inverse 2 x. X means here 10 hyperbolic x by 2 by 1 minus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2. Since 2 10 inverse x equal to 10 inverse 2x by 1 minus x square implies that left side equal to I 10 inverse 2 10 hyperbolic x by 2 by 1 minus 10 hyperbolic square x by 2. This is sec square hyperbolic x by 2. This is equal to I 10 inverse 2 10 hyperbolic x by 2 multiply cos square hyperbolic x by 2 1 by sec square sec hyperbolic square x by 2 is cos hyperbolic square x by 2, and this is I tan inverse. Here 2 tan hyperbolic x by 2 means sine hyperbolic x by 2 by cos hyperbolic x by 2 multiply cos hyperbolic square x by 2. This is equal to I tan inverse 2. Here 1 cos hyperbolic x by 2 cancel. So remains 2 sine hyperbolic x by 2 multiply cos hyperbolic x by 2. This is equal to I tan inverse. This is 2 sine hyperbolic x by 2 multiply cos hyperbolic x by 2 is sine hyperbolic 2 multiply x by 2. This is equal to I tan inverse sine hyperbolic x. This is right side and proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.